Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find correct tangent slope. To find the slope, we first differentiate the function. Using the chain rule, the derivative of the square root is 1 over 2 times the root. Multiplied by 4, boom! Now, substitute 6 into our derivative formula. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5, giving us 2 divided by 5. Nice! Comparing our result to the given choices, we see that 2/5 corresponds exactly to option C. We have successfully determined the slope of the tangent line at the point. Clear win! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid skipping the chain rule or arithmetic errors. Always use the chain rule and simplify.